Well friends, good morning, and we're here at Kettering. It's a beautiful seaside fishing village, which means we're headed over to Bruny. And what a beautiful day for it, just here at this gorgeous little cafe. Just waiting for my coffee. It's lovely inside, really sweet spot. But yeah, the unusual gang, the traffic, the cars for the ferry are right, it's never this, the line, the queue for the ferry is never this long on a Tuesday. The lady was just saying. Yeah, we weren't expecting this at all. So we might have a bit of a wait before we hop on the ferry, but really looking forward to the trip. Well gang, like an hour and a half later we have sight of boarding the ferry. We've probably got maybe another half an hour to wait. One just left, and so we'll definitely get on this next one, which is cool. And it's just such a beautiful day. And gang, just down here at Kettering, these boats, they're just gorgeous. We recently had the Wooden Boat Festival in Hobart, and that was amazing. But there's some gorgeous boats down here. It's a really busy dock. I've seen several boats go out in the time we've been here and come in. Just really beautiful bay here. Yeah. So anyway, we're hopeful, gang. We'll be on shortly.
I'm as happy as I can be. I'm in love with the girl you see. Well, I haven't told her, she hasn't told me, but we know we're just the same. Saturday night on her settee. Oh, what a time it's going to be. Well, I haven't told her, she hasn't told me, but we know we're just the same. We don't do nothing. She still calls me mister, but she won't, I know she won't, after I've kissed her. And I got a feeling soon she'll be cooking my breakfast, wait and see. Well, I haven't told her, she hasn't told me, but we know we're just the same. We don't do much spooning, but we will, I know we will, while honeymooning. And I got a feeling soon there'll be a one little, two little, possibly three. Well, I haven't told her, she hasn't told me, but we know we're just the same.
How are you, mate?
What year model is that?
86, mate.
I thought so.
Yeah, she's a beaut.
About your car?
Yeah, bro just asked me about the car. So many comments. Oh, it's so nice. Here we are again. We're on the little one. But this is a beauty. Different to the old Mirrabina where you used to have a top deck. And that was awesome. But this, haven't since these new ferries came into use, we have not been on these new ones, so that's pretty cool. Thanks, mate.
That guy's so young, and he knows the year.
Yeah, well, if you're a car geek, you're a car geek, aren't you? Awesome, we're on. Nice spot, little dining area up there, looks like. Bit of a cafe maybe they might even have.
Young boy, I remember driving south from Hobart Town. Shirt stuck wet to the vinyl with all the windows down. Mum and Dad up front with me, in the backseat pining for the beaches and the water of Dance Point, Bruny Island. Christmas, every Easter, and some weekends between the two. We drive up on the Mirabina, hoping to get a top deck view. And we'd set out across the channel, spreading out the foam on the way to Dance Point, Bruny Island, my second home. Now as relatives we gather for barbecues and beers. Specky and the breakers and all the uncles and aunties cheer. And then us kids would all strip off and swim out on the tide. Though the water it was freezing, none of us did mind. My daddy built a shack there and he sold it for a song. And I miss him like the sunrise these 3 years that he's been gone. My love is like a candle flame, burning ever brighter for the days we spent together on Dance Point, Bruny Island. Mom, she's growing older, and I guess we're all growing older too. Now days are growing shorter like the days they tend to do. And I'll always be that little kid there in the backseat pining for the beaches and the water of Dance Point, Bruny Island.
Dearest little girl, I'd like to tell you, now that we're contented, let us try doing things to make each other happy. Let us sit and plan a lullaby. Let's grow old together. We should worry about the weather, you and I. Let's grow old together. Just as long as we're contented, let us try. We will live day by day, planning dreams that should come true. In a palace beyond, there's a home for just we two. Let's grow together. We will weather life together, you and I.
We're here, gang. Roberts Point, Bruny Island.
When was the last time you came here?
With Joko.
Yeah, 2012.
Yeah.
January.
Yeah, or early Feb it might have been. Awesome. And this is the little shed where they sell cherries in the summer. Just finished, we just missed out. People parking their cars who come across and get picked up by other people. And what do we got on this? What does this sign say? Dens Point 20 Ks, that's where we're headed.